What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support. On this video, we have a car that came in. It's a group of them that have cars in Louisiana. They reached out to the shop because they want to get some security done to them. So we gave them a couple of options. They went ahead and got the Compustar. So we're doing a Compustar in the 2018 Jeep Trackhawk Grand Cherokee. That vehicle is going to be having the full system with the drone mobile, the kill switches, everything that can be secured for the vehicle. We actually did the window tint on that bad boy too, so we got them all 5% out, limoed out, so it's nice, dark, and private. And now we're going to get the car into the bay to get the car situated with a security system. It's very important, guys, to understand that there's a big trend going on with stealing of these cars, and insurance companies are actually blocking from insuring anything that has to do with the Mopar brand at this point in time due to the fact of the high risk they have in theft. And that kind of sucks for us that own these cars, because in reality we're not part of the problem. We're trying to do what we have to do to be the solution. So we have the security system put in place now for this vehicle to get this car secured and let them be home and be happy, y'all. So I'm going to introduce you to the vehicle, show you what we're working with, what we're doing, and get you out with the customer. Here today we have another one, guys. We're doing this one in security. There can be another Compustar system being installed right now on this beautiful HELLCat. Look at the Trackhawk that we're talking about today. This Trackhawk is a gorgeous, one of my favorite trucks, period. It's a black Trackhawk with the red guts inside. It is the real Trackhawk, and it's definitely a beautiful build. He has this car because he wanted to get it secured. Yes, he wanted to get the car secured. So we are going to get this car here. We're going to, come on, John. Jay's in the building. We have the red interior on this beautiful car, but this one coming in to get a security. Josh, why is it so important to get your vehicle secured? Real talk.
Because Dodge wasn't smart enough to make a system that wasn't easy to steal with the Android phone and common knowledge of CAN bus. So with that being said,
well,
you got to make it better.
I think everybody's suffering from that right now.
Yeah, I mean, really.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody's suffering from that. But this is one of my favorite trucks, y'all. If y'all don't know about this, I don't know how, but it's one of my favorites. It's got the TVs that come in the back. They flip up in the back. This is a high-end panoramic roof. Yes, it's got TVs in the headrest right here. Look. And slide up from the back.
I thought this was a race car, not a family vehicle.
Oh, this is a family car that'll kick your ass with the family in it.
Dude, that is awesome. I never knew that.
And then it is a Trackhawk. We'll show you the hood on this bad boy, because she is definitely a Trackhawk.
That's too, like,
and she is a Trackhawk. Well, he was looking for this truck for a while, and he found it. And he said, listen, man, I want to get my vehicle secured, give us some options. We brought it in so Josh can begin to tear down of this vehicle, installed in this vehicle, and get this vehicle secured, and we'll show you how it works. Hi, Cruz. So we got the young man. He's a little short, but he's still family here, man. What's your name for the camera, man?
Man, my name is Spencer, man, all the way from Louisiana.
Go tell him what brought you out here, man. You have a Trackhawk. You're worried about it being stolen.
Yeah. I need the shit. Start it over.
No. We're gonna continue. We like bloopers, bro. We're gonna go with the bloopers.
Yeah, man. Hey, look, the only way I was gonna travel in my Trackhawk is if I came and see my main man Jeff. I advise everybody to come down here. If you got anything worth stealing, getting stole, you gotta come.
Everything gets stolen nowadays. You be careful, they steal your wife.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
They ain't playing around. There's no security for that. But man, you have a YouTube channel, Instagram. What you got?
I got an Instagram, man. Follow me _Spencer Perry, man. Stay tuned. This will not be the last thing Jeff will do to my track. I promise.
I want to wide body it.
Yeah. You can do it, and you can put some motor work into it.
I want to wide body that truck.
Hey, you can do
in fact, if you want to do it, I'm waiting for 1 or 3 people to do it.
You're the only person that'll ever touch it.
Well, I'm gonna tell you right now, that Trackhawk, I want a wide body, and I'll give you a deal. The first one I do it a lot cheaper, because it could be the one to go to the vlog and promote it. So if you really want to wide body it,
consider it done.
We're gonna get it done. We're gonna wide body it. Because you like them thick.
Hey, more cushion for the push.
Now, this is also a customer of ours, man. I can't see you right there. You are. What is your name for the camera?
Man, my name Cam. But
Cam. So Cam, talk about your build. What you got going on here?
Okay, so I got the wrap, satin black HELLCAT charger. So
with the brown guts, you got to show it. The tan guts, you know, you got to show everybody. Got that peanut butter inside.
Hold on, let me unlock it for you.
You got to open that car up. It's theft proof.
Yeah, theft proof.
It's originally blue. He got that beautiful color inside, man. Y'all check that out. That's actually nice. You've had the car for how long?
I had a car for about 3 months, not going on 3 months. And I let Jeff.
Do you feel like a man when you drive it?
Of course. I feel like the man on the highway. That's me. So I feel like the man.
What have you raced with it?
I raced the red eye. Beat a red eye, by the way.
Oh.
Beat a red eye. Raced the Z01 Camaro and a few Mustangs, but that's about it though.
That's all the playing you've done.
Yeah,
we can line up with the Trackhawk?
I would. Now how it's gonna turn out, I don't know. But
It depends. If you go out the light, he got you. I'm gonna tell you that all day long.
I'm only racing from the dig. I know what I got. I know
You know that's your advantage.
My race or no race. My race or no race. Stay tuned though. Stay tuned. I give anybody a 40, 60 roll in about 3 months.
That's what we're talking about, y'all. Tell us about you a little bit more, man.
So check this out. So like I say, got the wrap HELLCAT charger. The original color is that indigo blue, peanut butter inside. So like I said, I got to let my main man Jeff. He did all my tint, 5% all the way around, ceramic. Gonna get you right. Kill switch it out, neutral lock plate. And like I say, I'm trying to get him to re-wrap it again a different color, but he's telling me I need to keep it this color. So
I don't know, man. Y'all, you know what? Go in the comments and give us a vote on this, man. It's a satin black, so she's like Batman out there. You know, she's all hidden. Like he turned off his lights, he could run. Nobody could find him and see him. You know what I'm saying? So y'all got to comment and what y'all think. Should he keep it this or give us a comment of what color he should do that'll make it different from everybody else's? In fact, I got a color I'm going to show him right now. If he wants to go bright, I got something that can make it pop. Yeah, I'm going to show you now, but you know what? We'll get back to the guy building the Trackhawk. We'll be back to you on the video. Give you guys a beautiful update on the. We got disassembly of the vehicle. We're getting ready to do an install on that bad boy, but we got to take everything apart to be able to get it going for this customer. So that's in the process right now being done in the bay. And they're knocking this out. When I get done, exactly what it does and how it does it, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty simple, but it's pretty awesome that you're able to have something that can actually protect your car from all these people sitting in these cars. Right now, the guys are buttoning her up, putting her back together again after the install. Can't show y'all too much. Thank God everything's together because y'all don't see too much. That was also together, and he is also secured. Well, now they got 2 vehicles that we know are secured from theft and being stolen or waking up in the morning and not having your car there, y'all. So we're gonna keep on rolling through this one here. I'm very grateful for the team putting in the hard work and getting this done, y'all. So we have the Trackhawk on right now. They're getting the codes and everything. And once that's done, we should be good to go. But the Trackhawk is ready, y'all. They got it on and ready to go. We just the codes cleared out because they had obviously we disconnect the airbags and everything on it. So disconnecting the airbags, you're gonna get the airbag light, and that was removed right now. That is the girl. Should be out to his owner or her owner in about 5 minutes. All right, y'all, so we got the gentleman with the Trackhawk getting ready for delivery, but I'm telling him that he doesn't even know his truck. Have you ever stepped in that truck and see it slide a little bit, like it kind of skids a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, he doesn't know about adjusting the fallopian tube, man.
The fuck is a fallopian tube?
Bro, you don't know?
I never heard of that.
You never heard of that? I got a question. How old are you?
25.
Are you a virgin?
I got a kid.
Are you a virgin?
I got a kid.
You got a kid. Okay, because you got a kid. So let's put this together. Look at the word. Fallopian tube, kid, virgin. What is the fallopian tube? You have kids, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. She's a woman. She don't even know. Bro.
Yo, she knows. That's why she's laughing. Look. She knows. You know. You don't know?
I'm telling you.
I know what a fallopian tube is.
What is the fallopian tube?
Well, isn't that where the kid goes in?
That's what a fallopian tube is, bro. It's a part of a woman, man. What's wrong with you, man? And you say you don't even know it? You have a kid, man. Come on. And then you don't even know it. Like, what the hell is that? You got a kid. What in the hell's going on over here? She got 3 that came out of fallopian tube. You know what it is. Really, man.
100%.
Well, let me walk you through your bill. So let's start with this. I'm gonna do this here real quick. Let me grab your key from your Trackhawk. Take the red key out. Pull it. All right, now I'm gonna arm your compu. Look, I'm gonna show you right here. I'm gonna lock it. Okay. She's locked. Right. Now I want you to do me a favor. Go steal your truck. Like if you cloned the key, pretend you stole the key. Go, take the truck. Turn on the truck, let's go. Come on, man.
I'm caught.
Bro, what happened? You can't do it? Look at this. Your alarm's going off. Telling you what trigger. Show me your phone. Your phone should be having alerts right now, too.
All right.
He got 2 phones. Now you have an alert. It's been telling you that right here to your messages, it tell you that your car was triggered.
Oh, I turned it off because...
Yeah, no, fine, but this is what it was. So, I mean, I'll show you again if you want to. Right now, it's loading up the feed, but everything that happened to your car came up here and here. In fact, you know what? Let's do it again so you can see it come off on your phone. In fact, give me your phone this time because you don't be messing it all up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna come here. I'm gonna close the app out. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to come here. The device. Got the keys in my pocket. Now I got his phone here. You can see what I'm talking about in the alerts.
We got us a track, boss.
Go, let's go. The alarm went off over there. You can't start the vehicle over there. And your phone's giving you an alert over here. So now let's open up your drone app, wherever you got on your phone. Right over here. You're gonna need your Face ID because you're the one that owns it.
Yep.
And it's telling you that everything went off. So right now at this point in time, boom. So at this point in time, here goes your phone.
Okay.
My question to you is gonna be, I'm gonna disarm the unit out here. And hit the unlock 3 times. 1, 2. Now turn on your truck. Now you're back on the playbook. So now turn it off. So now I'm explaining to you what it is. Whenever the unit's going off, the first time you hit the button, it's gonna turn off the remote control from sounding. Second time, gonna shut off the vehicle from sounding. The third time, gonna actually disarm it. So now, when you went in there, could you start the car?
No, I cannot.
Can they steal your car?
No, they cannot.
Until you do what?
Until I unlock it with this.
There you go. Now you know how the kill switch works. Now on this vehicle, you have a shock sensor. That means any kind of shock or banging on the vehicle, gonna set it off. You have glass break. That means if they try to break the glass or cut the glass, you're gonna know. You got tilt sensor, because they try to tilt the car up like tow truck or lifting with jacks. You got covered. You got kill switches, door triggers, hood triggers, trunk triggers. Everything's including your system right now. So my question to you is gonna be, you wanted to get a security system to secure your vehicle. Do you feel secure right now?
Oh my God, well worth it. Well worth it.
You're happy, you're happy.
Hey, if you're snoozing, you're losing.
Yeah, I just said a minute ago, this dude reminds me of a character of Tony Snow, man. Y'all remember King Tony Snow? That's my boy. Getting ready to go and take delivery. We're gonna tell you thank you always for coming by the shop, and you know, for giving us the business here today. If you have any questions, let us know. Now I'm gonna vlog you taking off, so they can get what a Trackhawk launch look like. Now I'm gonna let the king come out of here, man, and show what a Trackhawk take off on water, on wet and dry. Let's see what the Trackhawk take off like.